Hi guys, it's Alphamantraining.com. We're riding a guy to the shopping center. We're gonna approach some girls. So the key thing is it gives you freedom in a life. When you see a girl, you can approach everywhere. You can attract her, you can get her number, you can date her, meet her friends, family, travel with her. So it's an amazing thing. It's now it's really amazing weather. It's spring and we're driving to one center to approach some girls, also to get coffee, to relax ourselves and enjoy life. So if you will not do that, you will hate yourself, because other guys approach women, get them, and you're not doing that. And also your confidence will not grow. So in order to be really happy, you need to consistently improve yourself, be out of your comfort zone, and explore new things, new places, new women, new amazing experiences. Because you can, who knows what kind of woman you will meet and how your life will turn. Maybe she will be very interesting. Maybe, you know, you will travel all the world around with her. So we're jumping off in the next bus stop, and we'll walk around the mall. We have camera here. We'll shoot some videos. Here we have a police, we see. So yeah, it will be interesting. Who knows what girls we gonna meet. And I wish you all amazing day. And if you don't have a friend, you're right. Taking action is the way to go. Ike, thanks, buddy. Yeah. Even, you know, if you don't have a friend, go by yourself. Because no one knows you. And even if they know, some people doesn't know you. And opportunities are waiting. I think, you know, we all should spend at least 2 or 3 hours a day doing that. And then I come back, I will play Call of Duty, Modern Warfare. My friend is crazy. He's 25 years old, yeah.
16.
Fucked 11 different girls. And now he doesn't know what to do with his life. Create a family or what are you gonna do?
I want to find my passion, you know, what I can do in my
life. He wants to find the passion, what he can do in life.
Also fuck more girls, maybe 15.
Yeah. So for all you guys, Ike, also have a great day. Go approach some women. Most important, take action, you will learn something. And all you other guys also wish you success. We approached our mall. We're gonna approach some girls. If they're gonna be, because it's in Lithuania, it's Eastern. It's Eastern, you know, it's holidays. Actually, a city is quite, you know, empty. But so one girl in jeans walking. So okay, see you guys.